friends, this is Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking spaghetti squash in the air fryer. I'm going to cook it whole. I know a lot of people don't like to cut it in half because it's too much work. So I'm not going to cut it in half. I'm just going to put the whole spaghetti squash in the air fryer and cook it. Before cooking spaghetti squash, the first thing is I want to make a couple of holes with a knife just so it doesn't explode while cooking. So I just made 2 holes, and now I will put it in the air fryer basket. And this is a relatively small spaghetti squash, so I will be setting the time for 40 minutes, and if you have a larger one, you can do it for 50 minutes. So let's set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time for 40 minutes. Now spaghetti squash is done cooking, so I'm just going to take it out. And it's very hot, so we should leave it for at least 10 minutes so it gets cool enough to handle before we cut it in half. Now after the spaghetti squash has cooled down a bit, we're going to put it on a plate and cut it in half. See how soft it is? It's perfectly cooked. So I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, and once it's cut in half, I will scoop out the seeds. And throw the seeds out. And now I will use a fork to make it so it looks like spaghetti. So this is a perfect low-carb substitute for spaghetti, and that's why it's called spaghetti squash. And I just see a few seeds that I forgot to take out, so I will throw them out now. So here you go, air fryer spaghetti squash. And at this point you can add salt and pepper and your favorite seasonings. It's also great with Parmesan cheese. Healthy, easy to make spaghetti squash in the air fryer. For more easy recipes and cooking tips, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you next time.